Mardigrass is all about making new friends, so we caught up with our good bud John from Dutch plant nutrients experts Canna.
Yeah, Mardigrass is pretty killer. We just had a massive storm front come through. Just about took us out. That's why we were sort of a little bit condensed here now. The tent down there actually blew over, so I feel sorry for those guys. But yeah, no, it's fantastic. Yeah, it's into the night as well, and without the weather, but people are still cruising around. So Canna is the internationally recognised worldwide leaders in plant technologies for growers. You can do hydroponics, you can do outdoor growing, indoor growing, so it's well suited for a lot of plants. Well, we like to think about the science behind the brand. So a lot of education, a lot of science behind it, a lot of purity, a lot of really refined ingredients. And to do that, you've got to do a lot of science behind it. So a lot of plant growing and so forth. We're talking large scale. We deal with organics. We don't do GM ingredients inputs. We don't do animal byproducts. We're very clean, very green. So we know that people like to consume their own produce. So we're not going to put anything harmful in there like plant growth regulators, PGRs, pesticides, all these sort of nasties that people consume. Yeah, so we look after Australasia, so we take care of the Australian and New Zealand market. We've flown over here today from Perth, which is where our base is, and the head office is in the Netherlands. So Canna is a Dutch company, and they've been going for around about 30 years. So yeah, they definitely do a lot of science and research behind growing plants. Yeah, so in Australia, we've been actually doing Canna for 25 years. So this is our 25th anniversary. We're actually running a competition at the moment where the grower can win a Canna 25th anniversary Canna Harley Davidson. So all they need to do is go to the store, to their nearest retailer, and they can find the listing of all the retailers in Australia and New Zealand at canna.com.au. And then by the nearest store, they'll buy any 2 Canna products, take it home, enter the details online, put in the batch numbers, and then they can actually go into the draw. Awesome, thanks guys.
Thank you.